Tired of juggling leads between HubSpot and LinkedIn Helper? Let's ditch the data entry nightmare and supercharge your sales by integrating HubSpot and LinkedIn Helper using the magic of Zapier in this 90-second tutorial. First, head over to Zapier and create a new Zap. Now, choose your trigger. This is what will kick off the automation since we want to enrich leads in HubSpot when something happens in LinkedIn Helper. Select LinkedIn Helper as your trigger app and choose the trigger event. For example, new contact added. Make sure to connect your LinkedIn Helper account to Zapier. Next, choose HubSpot as your action app. Select the action you want Zapier to perform, such as create or update contact. Connect your HubSpot account to Zapier. This is where the magic happens. Map the data from LinkedIn Helper to the corresponding fields in HubSpot. For example, map the LinkedIn Helper's full name field to HubSpot's first name and last name fields. Map email addresses, company names, and any other relevant information. Now, test your Zap. Zapier will pull sample data from LinkedIn Helper and send it to HubSpot, showing you exactly how the integration works. If everything looks good, turn on your Zap. That's it. Now you're automatically enriching leads in HubSpot, saving you time and boosting your sales efficiency. Subscribe for more sales automation tips.